Walgreens deals of the week. This week at Walgreens, you're going to be able to get these two CeraVe for a crazy low price. So this week they are not on sale. They are regular price, and their price is $19.99, which is the highest price I've ever seen. So it comes out to $39.98, but hear me out. I'm going to show you how you can get it for much less. So this week I'll be using this coupon for this purchase. It says that when you spend 30 or more on regular price items, you're gonna get 20% off. And so I'm gonna put that towards this transaction, making it $8 less. So $39.98 minus $8. So far we are about $32 in. Now, I also used a coupon, so something similar to this, $5 worth, to lower my cost, and I used another $5, so something that says a value instead of just specific on some products like CeraVe. It had a value for anything that you spend, so that took off an extra $2.5, so an extra $10. So we're still a little bit of a high price, but check it out. My total before taxes was $21.98, and then I was able to get back this $5 to use in a future purchase on any of these items shown on the picture. And I also got $7 back for having used something like this that says when I spend a certain amount of money on anything in the store, I will get back $7 back into my account. So again, my total before taxes was $21.98, but I did get back a total of $12, therefore making my total $10 before taxes for both products, when initially it was $39.98. I hope you enjoy videos like this, and if you would like, if you have any questions, leave me a comment, but also subscribe to my channel so you can see upcoming videos of a lot more items. I'll give you a glimpse right now. These are some of the items that I will be doing videos on, so put that comment on anything you're interested in, and I will make videos following up. Thank you, and don't forget to smile.